Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add logo to your Wix website. So to do this, first you need to go to the Wix editor. So from here, click on the media section, and from the media section, click on upload media. So here, choose the image that you want to upload and upload it. So what I have done is that I have downloaded some random image from the internet. I'm gonna drag this and upload it to the page. So now the image is uploaded. I'm gonna resize it. I think this is fine. So I'm gonna drag this and drop it here. So now my logo is added. What I will do is that I'm gonna link it to my home page. So what this will do is that when someone clicks on my logo, it will redirect to home page. So this is particularly useful when someone is trying to go to home page from inner pages. So now this is done. What I'll do is that I'm gonna quickly check in the mobile section. So here you can see it looks little bit weird. So what I'll do is that I'm gonna select my logo and resize it, and I'll drag it to the left and put it here. So what I'll also do is that I will select my header and I'll resize it little bit. So yeah, so this is fine. So I think this is fine. So that's it guys. I think this is very easy. So hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.